Do you want to disable the reset button in your Roblox game? Start by adding a local script inside of Starter GUI. Rename the script to Disable Reset. Delete the Hello World text. This script disables the reset button in Roblox. It keeps trying in a loop because SetCore can fail if the game isn't fully loaded yet. The pay call is used to safely attempt disabling the reset button without crashing the script. Once it succeeds, the loop stops. If it fails, it waits briefly and tries again until it works. You can now try it out. As you can see, we can't click on the reset button. Therefore it works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.